Welcome to this lesson on algebra. Today, we are going to learn how to find the degree of a monomial by looking at its variable powers. First, let us recall what a monomial is. A monomial is a single term. It can be a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. The important rule is that all exponents on the variables must be whole numbers. The degree of a monomial is defined as the sum of the exponents of all its variables. It represents the highest power in that single term. If a monomial has only one variable, finding the degree is very simple. You just look at the exponent of that variable. For example, in 4x cubed, the exponent is 3, so the degree is 3. Sometimes a variable appears without a written exponent, like 2y in algebra. When no exponent is written, it is understood to be 1. So, 2y is actually 2y to the power of 1, making its degree 1. When a monomial has more than one variable, you find the degree by adding their exponents together. For the expression 7x squared y cubed, you add 2 plus 3 to get a degree of 5. Let's look at a more detailed example. Consider -2 a cubed, b to the 4th power, see identify the exponents. 3 for a, 4 for b, and remember the invisible one for c. Adding 3 plus 4 plus 1 gives us a total degree of 8. What if you just have a number like 8? This is called a constant. A constant has a degree of 0. You can think of it as 8 times x to the power of 0, since anything to the power of 0 is 1. A very common mistake is to add the coefficient, or the big number in front, to the exponent. In 2x cubed, the degree is just 3. Do not add the 2 and the 3. The coefficient has no effect on the degree. To summarize, the degree is the sum of the exponents of the variables. For a single variable, it is just the exponent. A variable without a written exponent has a degree of 1. And finally, non-zero constants have a degree of 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.